Hey guys, quick update on CAVA Group. Oh wait, I dropped my pen. I'm just going to go over the weekly. So now we have hit the 618, like not hit it, but we have hit almost this swing here. Doesn't really matter because it's like I don't count here, I count from the low. But this was your initial push after the IPO. I'm gonna delete this one. But more importantly, we're approaching the 618 here. Also, this candle last week, we had a wick. Strong, like not strong, but like buyers were present here because we wicked pretty deep. 7-8%, and then we came back. And then this one is interesting to me. We have shitty arrow, but we have higher volume than the previous candle. In the low we have a green candle and like an engulfing volume candle. Also the RSI is like trying to turn back up. Still has a lot to prove. I would love them to have more income, but yeah, with all the inflation and just general consumer inflation and just people struggling, this is a company that owns restaurants, so yeah, generally in like the States, just people need to have more money. The situation needs to be better and inflation needs to be lower, and blah, maybe these interest rate cuts can help with it if we get more than them, because in September we got one. But yeah, if people have more money, of course they will spend more money on restaurants and going out and eating out, so it's still got a long way to go. If this is the low, I will try to track the chart. Like on the lower time frames, I'll delete this cell, but what I'm looking for again is a 5-wave move to the upside. And then we can draw a support box, and then yeah, if this holds, that could be a start of a reversal. Of course, can always be in 3 waves and then we go back down, but we need data. Can't say it now. For now, from the low, this looks like, you can't see nicely a 5-wave move. Also highest volume here, you would say, okay, then this is maybe a 1, this is a 2, this was your 3, but then you hit the 618, so don't like that. But we're at the 15-minute, no, we're at the 1-hour chart, so that's pretty zoomed in. That's why I like, because it's still so, because this move is still happening, I'm how should I say it? I focus more on this candle and this green one here, so that it could suggest that we formed low also with this 618 here below us. From the low, it just sucks that I can't count this really as a 5-waver. The best I can do is a 3-waver. And then you hit the 1-to-1, you topped. For an impulse, like a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, you can have internally 5 waves, but also 3 waves, so maybe we're gonna do 3 waves in the first. phase, but then it's gonna be a diagonal. Where is it? Like here. A leading diagonal then. You see here your wave 1. You have then also probably overlap with your 1 and your 4. That's allowed in a diagonal, but for a diagonal your internal subdivision can be like 3 waves, 3 wavy. So I'm gonna keep this on the chart for now then, an A, B, C here. This then could be a larger A wave, B wave, C wave, and then we're gonna go down more if it's corrective. Or this could be a wave 1, this could be a wave 2, and now we're gonna go in a 3, 4, 5. But again, need more data for this. For now, I can say that, yeah, we reacted to the FIBs here. 0.5, 0.618, generally strong. From this high then, we did hit the 886, which to me suggests that if we're gonna go down and we want to count an impulse 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, your wave 2 shouldn't hit the 618. It lowers probabilities. It increases the probabilities that this is a corrective A, B, C, or we're not even gonna go down, and yeah, we're just gonna go up. What I could do though is counting it as a double 1, 2 maybe. But then yeah, your second one is a little bit longer. I mean, it is okay, but also if this is a 1, 2, 1, 2, this came very deep. You hit the 886. So yeah, I don't like that. So I'll stick with my previous scenario. It's a thing, you always have multiple scenarios, and I'm trying to put the most likely one on the chart, but wait, that's too much. Yeah, like this. But it can be difficult, especially like if you try to get a low or like on the dollar, like when you don't have anything, it's very difficult. If this chart already had like 5 waves, it could be much easier to decide this wave 2 here, because then you know, okay, it's gonna be, it's a clear 5 waver. If this holds, we're gonna go up in a wave 3, but this what we have here, it's just, yeah, I can see only 3 waves. We don't have a lot of data yet, so this is the best I can do. Video again, way too long. But yeah, I like this one, and I like the RSI curving now. Also, I mentioned, I think in the previous video, that you have this here, you have the move with the volume, and then you have the exit end of the move. So now at least I am looking for a bounce. So yeah, that's CAVA for you. Thanks for watching, and bye bye.